Hi, long time a small unboxing video. So I was actually buying grill parts from this military EU website, and at the same time noticed that there is something interesting there. So I decided to buy some Badger outdoor spoon, fork, knife combination. It wasn't very expensive, so I was thinking that pretty nice to have something for camping. So I decided to buy it and check it out how it looks like. And let's see. Packaging is actually pretty nice and neat. For the price, it's like, was it something like 15 euros or something like that. So yeah, made in China. Let's see what is inside here. Okay. Packaging is actually pretty high tech for such a price. Let's see how it goes. So, okay, what is it here? The actual tool in the foam, and okay, so this is detachable fork. Feels pretty solid. Yeah, like not wobbly at all. So yeah, I can live with that. Then you have actual tools here, not just a spoon. Yeah, very solid. So feels sturdy. And then there's a protective mechanism here. So okay, so if you want to have the knife out, just have to fold it. And there's a pretty neat feature because it's locked. So you don't injure yourself even you have a little bit more heavier food to consume. Pretty neat idea. And oh well, this is sharp. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Have to be careful. And then you just push it here, and it folds back to the space. Yeah, have to close it down there. Okay. So what else is here? Then you can obviously have your wine bottle opener here. Useful, nice. Everything feels really solid. I was really surprised about this quality about this tool. So yeah. And what else we have here? Yep, nice. And the knife here. So I assume there was something else here still to go. Let's see. Oh yeah, can opener. Yeah. That's it. So your dining set is pretty much ready. And still something here. It's the packaging is for this price. It's just a little bit crazy. Oh wow. Okay, you have a place to put it. Yeah. So nice. You can just put everything together. And yeah. Yep. And then you can put this one back here as well. So which way it was? Wait a minute. It's like this way around. Yeah. Okay. Now it's locked into the place. And then you can put it here. Oh wow. This is surprisingly good. Like I wasn't expecting this kind of quality here. So yeah, instructions all the way down how to use it. Yeah, everything feels solid, high quality, nice packaging. Next, testing.